Hold on. That's good. What's up, guys? Welcome back. So today we are actually sitting in Jewel's parking lot because I just talked to my cousin and I told her I really want some cabbage so bad, but I don't know how to cook it. So she told me what I need to get, and I also want some baked macaroni and cheese. So she told me what I need. I'm about to go in the store and get it. Fingers crossed they have cabbage, and fingers crossed this comes out good, because this is what my dinner gonna be tonight. So let's go shopping. Spray on them. Did I get the Monday special? Yeah. Grilled. That's all. Thank you. Take care. You too. Oh, but look at the skin though. Okay, we got everything. So we're gonna go home and try to cook this. And we're gonna put this on as soon as we get home. That way, if we need to make an alternative meal, we'll be all right. I think we're gonna be fine. Oh, it's gonna be fine. We got this. You know, but like cabbage. Now, I made macaroni plenty of times, but I want to make some baked macaroni. Now, your girl ain't doing all the fancy, making my own roux and all the butters, and I ain't doing all that, but it's gonna be baked macaroni at the end of the day, okay? I'm excited, because when I tell y'all I've been wanting some cabbage. Alright. Alright, guys, I'll see you guys when we get in the house. get ready to taste it. Now, I did season it. I seasoned it with some pepper and the Mrs. Dash seasoning. It looked like the tenderness that you would normally see with a cabbage. So we're gonna give it a taste. And I hope that it's gonna be good. Okay? It look alright. Let me show you what it look like real quick. To me, it look like some good old cabbage, right? Okay, so let's try it out. Let's see. Maybe hot. Yeah. Now, hold on. That's good. Okay, Jess. I feel like if I had maybe some, like some paprika, for like the kick, the heat. I'm not a spicy person, but I feel like that would probably give it that kick. Ooh, that's good. I don't know what else I could probably do. The onions in there will give you that flavor. We are almost done. The mac and cheese is in the oven. Maybe the biscuits is right here on the counter. Maybe, you already know we bought the chicken. So the chicken is done. We just gotta warm it up. And I'll be back to show y'all my plate. And I think Jess did alright. I think I did good. We just went on this mac and cheese. But other than that, I think we did good today. I'm proud of me.